with you? Huh?
Honey, please calm down. Let me explain. You know how the mall can be sometimes. Too many people, the queue was so long. It took time before...
Shut up your mouth. Are you stupid? Is something wrong with you? Oh, you still have the mouth to talk back at me. How? Look at how you're talking to me. It took you a long time just to buy ordinary food item. Did I not tell you that my father will soon be here? Did I not?
And that's the reason you slapped me.
And I will slap you again if you talk. What is wrong with you? What do you think of yourself? A man? When I do virtually everything for you. I feed you, I clothe you, the house you live in, I shelter you. So you don't have to show me that you're a man. How? I don't understand it. How? Don't try this nonsense with me. Don't even try this rubbish with me. Nonsense. In fact, come with me right now. Inside. Right now. Angie, what are you doing here? Eh?
I want to take what Oga bought.
Who is Oga? Who is Oga? Idiots. Come on, get inside. You. Get to that booth. Get everything. Bring everything out. Bring it inside the house. Right now, no. Don't waste my time. Nonsense. Look at him. Useless man. Listen, if you make me lose my nuts, you can't fix it. You cannot fix it. Rubbish. Man, what's all this nonsense? Go to the mall, get something. You went there and laid down. You ever not call nonsense? Try this nonsense again. Stupid man.
You place yourself above, parading majestically, looking down on your man. Ooh.
Let me help you. Hey, let me help you carry the stuffs, please. Sorry. Take out. Yes, some days are like that.
The quest for wealth, see where I have landed. No freedom to exercise my manly powers. Treated like a fool, controlled like a child. Can't say no to what is pleases me. Mama, you go, you have sold me out for riches. Makego, you have reduced me to nothing. Makego, I have no voice in my marriage. Makego, Chimo Asaramata. A man like me.
I don't understand it. I don't just understand it. Look at a man I picked from the gutters and helped his life. Talking anyhow, misbehaving. You a real man up here? You a real man? You better drop that nonsense. Because my parents will soon be here. And they have to eat. In Akwala. Just go and get something for me. Or Zuzu, like the useless man that he is. But you can't try that nonsense with me. In my own house. In my own house. It's not done. Rubbish. Useless man.
Come on, darling. Don't you think you're blowing this out of proportion? I said I'm sorry.
Will you shut up? Can you just shut that your mouth? You're sorry. Of course you are not sorry. All the things you're doing, you're intentionally doing all of them. Diego telling me if you remember told it, not one. You are not calling nonsense. What kind of rubbish is that? Look at you. You're not even ashamed of yourself. You will not be grateful to me for picking you, removing you from that ancient place you call a village. I brought you to the city and I'm doing everything for you. You cannot appreciate that.
Come on, darling. Take it easy. It's not being ungrateful. Of course you know I'm grateful.
You are not grateful. You are getting on my nerves. And if you don't take your time, I will so deal with you in this house. Please get out.
Baby, I'm sorry. I'll fix the food in no time.
If you don't leave my sight, I'm going to pour you this wine. And I mean every word of it. Now get out. I told you, get out! Stupid man. My parents need to eat when... Oh my God, also you... Oh! I will lose it right now! Nonsense.
The quest for wealth, see where I have landed. No freedom to exercise my manly powers. Treated like a fool, controlled like a child. Can't say no to what is pleases me. Mama Ibugomo, Matego, you have sold me out for riches. You have reduced me to nothing. Matego, I have no voice in my marriage. Matego, Chimo Asaramata. A man like me, where is my authority? Married, yet like a nobody. Living in fears, that's what I see. And I know I would have caught it a quiz. Who could save me from this, Matego? You have sold me out for riches, Mama. Matego, you have reduced me to nothing. Matego.
Oga, I want to help you carry the rice inside.
We have to go through the back. You already know why.
Yes, I understand. Yes. Sorry.
You have seen the place?
Yes.
You like it?
So nice.
Hey, I told you.
I love it.
This is where coppers do stay.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Wow.
Rich coppers, because it's very costly.
Hey.
I'm really wondering if you can afford it.
Hey, Anuka. Don't worry, I have a rich friend. She's the one that will pay for it. Yes.
You have a rich girlfriend?
Mm-hmm. She's coming. She will come back here.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I don't wonder, because I was like, this place is costly. I don't know if Lucy, that I know, will afford it. But now that you have told me that I have a rich girlfriend, no problem, it's good. It's good.
Anuka, do not
It's
worry.
Good. I can now have hope.
Do not worry. What will happen is that I will send your account details to her. Then she will forward you the money. Because it's both of us that will live in this house.
Now you are talking. It's not a problem. Let me give you my card number so that hope she will pay to.
No, she will pay. Once I send her the account number, she will pay. Yes, once we... Okay.
Hey, now, hope you're a good man.
You can type it.
Oh yeah. This is Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank.
Okay.
Everyone
so, account name?
Account name, Anuka Joseph Okorocha.
Anuka Joseph
Okorocha. Yes.
Wow. Bam. You receive it.
Now
once I send her the account number right now, you receive it, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh, okay, go.
But Anuka, you're so funny.
Abi?
Oh, he is so beautiful.
It's beautiful. Let me lock it until I see the alarm. It's nice. Very nice.
Can't say no to what is pleases me. Mama Ibugomo, Matego, you have sold me out for riches. Matego, you have reduced me to nothing. Matego, I have no voice in my marriage.
What are you doing? Oh, I asked you to cook and you're here eating my tomatoes. Tomatoes. If you're an essential commodity, okay? And I asked you to get something for me, you're here eating it. Are you stupid? What's the meaning of this? Now answer me. How much worth of meat did you buy?
I didn't see meat, so I bought chicken, about 2 kilos. You can see it right there.
You have to be very fast. I just spoke with my father not quite long and he said he's almost close. I don't want him to get here and you have not finished preparing this meal. Do you understand?
But sweetheart, why not join me so it will be faster?
Husband. It's a go.
I said you should assist me so it will be faster.
I should assist you. Osondu. Osondu, do you assist me in making money? Do you? What do you do for me in this house? You just sit and eat my money. What do you do for me in this house? That you open your mouth and ask me to help you, assist you in cooking. You should be ashamed of yourself. A full-fledged man you are, but you do absolutely nothing for me. Nothing at all. What have you ever done for my family as their in-law? Nothing. I don't have anything to tell you, please. You have to be very, very fast in preparing this meal. If not, you're going to fall out with me. Nonsense. It's romantic kill you there. Nonsense.
You place yourself above, parading majestically, looking down on your man. Ooh, you showed respect and dignity, full of pride and mean. Make a change because life is full of pages. Arrogance in all the pain.
Hello Rose. Yes, I've seen the house. It's a village house, what do you expect? Yes. Okay, once you pay him right now, I will take the house keys, yes, and start arranging them. Okay. Alright. Bye. Take care. Thanks, darling. Bye.
What did she say?
She likes the place. Yes.
I told you. Who will not like it? All the coppers that comes here, all the BB coppers, I bring them here.
Wow.
This is where they stay. Because I'm in charge. Yes. Yes. Oh, what about the transfer?
Do not worry, my girlfriend will send the money right now. She's very rich. Okay. She has a big car. Big car. What?
Hey, when is she coming?
She's coming soon. Okay, very soon you see her.
Okay. Yeah. Your girlfriend is talk and do.
Yeah, I told you.
Look at.
I told you.
Allah.
I told you.
Tell her Allah seen.
I told you. She's very rich. The father has money, so much money. Yes. We're going to live here together.
That's nice. People will enjoy it. Will enjoy it. No, wow.
Yes, sir. And look at you, very nice person. You're very nice person. Very funny.
Yes, but when is your friend coming? I can't wait. At least let me buy her more. You know why I'm worried like this? I don't like when people pay me money like this. I don't like to keep them far. I like to bring them closer that I can offer them something.
This guy, you're very nice. Very soon.
For business,
you will see her. You will see her very soon. Okay.
It's alright. Let me go. You will know your way to my house.
Of course.
Let me go and see a friend of mine. Yes.
And okay, let me go with you. From there, we can go home together.
No need. No need. Let me go alone. Don't worry. If it's your friend now that has money, that has car, I will tell her to bring the car. Let us go because the place is far. I don't want you.
Trek. Don't worry, I will trek.
I know you people do endurance trekking, but not this one because I don't want anybody trekking on my head. If anything happens to you, they will say that I am the one carrying copper up and down.
No.
Copper break leg. But if it's the copper one that has car, I will say bring your car. She will carry me. Go around town.
This guy is so funny.
Don't worry. You cannot go there.
Are you sure?
Let me go. I will see you later.
Oh, okay.
Manage.
Okay, I will see you. Okay.
I'll see you later.
Take care of yourself.
All right, take care of yourself. Sorry. Take it. I forget to give you key. You can start living here yourself if you want.
No, I'm coming. You know I have to fix the place first. This guy is so funny. So nice. But he does not like me. Anyway, I'll keep trying.
Hi guys, how you guys doing? Oh, hello dear. I wish you can perceive the aroma of the meal my husband is making right now. Oh, it's something to die for. I'm telling you the truth. He's such a good cook. Mm-hmm. Yes, of course. What are you saying? I enjoy it when he cooks for me. That's very romantic. All right. Hi, Vigo. How you doing today? You know what? I want you guys to come along with me. I want to take you to the kitchen where my husband is making the meal. You will love it. He's such a cute man. I'm going to show you how good he is in the kitchen. Okay, my friends. I told you. Hi, babe. Say hello to my friends.
Hello, friends.
Okay, I told you guys that I have the best man in the whole world. He's so amazing. Can't you see my husband is cooking for me?
Yes, guys, I'm actually cooking for my queen. And then tell your husbands to cook for you. It's quite romantic.
You get that right? I know you guys are jealous. Yes, so you don't have to jealous me. I have the best man in the world. Alright, see you guys later. He's frying for me, oh. He's frying chicken for me.
Chicken.
Okay, bye. Bye, see you guys much later. Okay. And Ogini, why are you so excited? Because I allowed you to speak with my friends and you're opening those teeth of yours. I don't understand. What's the meaning of that? Eh? Okay, concentrate and do what you're doing.
But you asked me to say how.
Concentrate before the meat gets burnt. Concentrate! I don't understand the meaning of this, oh. I don't understand. Nonsense. My father is very close. Please, just be fast. Hurry, oh. Nonsense.
It will simply destroy you. Better learn respect. Before it's too late, arrogance in all the pain.
Wait, hey, look, are you saying the girl did not even give you something to hold, apart from the money for the house?
You will not understand.
Hey.
That girl you see there is a very church rat. Akpansi. She's a church rat. Poor girl I have never seen in my life. Her own poverty, I cannot equate it in this world.
Hey.
You are richer than her. If there's anybody that will compare to how poor that girl is you, but you are richer than her. Look at somebody that I have seen. I was even bragging that I have seen a girl that I would date. I have seen a copper, a rich copper. I didn't even know that it was her girlfriend that has the money that she transferred to me to give to landlord. I thought that that girl is nonsense. I was even bragging that I've come love.
But see, Anuka, you know you're my friend, and I will always tell you the truth. See, that girl has started developing feelings for you. Just be coming down like this. Maybe it will work out between both of you.
If not that you're my friend, I'll say Abamu. Yes. If not that you're my friend, I'll say Abamu. What do you mean? So I should date her. I should date her, poor girl. Tomorrow, by the time she is done with her youth service, she will tell me, Anuka, you are poor man, you are local, I cannot date you, I cannot marry you. Then I will become a run. But as I can, all the money I will spend on her will become his alright. I will not do it. Never!
Oh,
if you want her, go and date her. She's there. Her girlfriend is what I'm waiting for.
I don't understand all these things. Why are you having this mentality? Eh? I don't understand. See, your mother is not getting it right. Eh? Must everybody be rich? Must everybody be rich?
Okay. Eh? Oh, Allah not rich your side. Eh? Yes, everybody must be rich. If there's anybody that was supposed to be poor, let it be you, not me. I don't want a girlfriend that is poor.
You're insulting me now.
Yes. If there's anybody that's supposed to be poor, let it be you. What do you mean?
Anuka.
Eh?
Anuka, you're insulting me now.
So let me tell you, I'm waiting for her girlfriend. Let me tell you, she said her girlfriend is very rich. She's the one I'm waiting for. She said her name is Rose.
Huh?
She has a car, big car.
Wait. Her girlfriend is rich.
You don't even know my plan.
She has a car.
She has a car. She's very rich. She's very rich. What What are you? Now you understand what I'm saying.
Oh, give me that one now. Leave that one for me now. You know you're my friend now. You have this one. Let me go for this one. At least the camera is on the same level.
See, let me tell you. Hey, look. Let us start sending ways or start having problem because you see that girl. I don't want to play with her. Rose, the one that is coming. I don't want us to quarrel with her because of her. Take your time.
I don't understand.
You see Lucy?
Wait.
No, Lucy is there. I'm not dating Lucy. I can't even date a poor girl. So go and carry Lucy.
So you are insulting me now because of those girls?
I don't want us to fight. You see that girl?
So you want to fight because of?
Let me tell you, if that girl come back to this village and you greet her good morning, it's a problem.
Wait. When is she coming?
Oh, it's not your business. If she enter this village and you greet her good morning, you and you will fight.
That means every day I'm going to junction.
Don't start. Let's go and drink. Because of that, I will give you half bottle. Let's go. Half bottle, that's what you will drink.
Let me tell you, in short, let me sound a note of warning. Any day you start thinking of marriage and you think of marrying a poor man, that day you will die.
Hey, Mama, when will you ever stop all this your money topic?
I will not stop. I will never stop. You see the kind of marriage my son Osando is into. That is what I want for you and my son Anuka. Marriage with money.
Mama, everybody must not be rich. Everybody must not be rich.
My own children must be rich, whether you like it or not. Get to see money as a big way go.
Mama, darling.
Lucy.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama, I've seen the place. So nice, so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how are you going to raise money to
Mama, I've paid already. Yes. Anuka did not tell you.
No.
He's not back yet.
No, he's not back yet. You've paid already.
I've paid.
Oh my God. Well, in that case, you we'll celebrate with you now. You launched the place for us. After all, you spent 2 days in my house without any contribution.
Mama.
But coppers get allowance, right?
Yes, Mama, we do. But I've not received my own yet.
Oh, well. So, in belief that if you buy this drink for me, the money will come fast.
Amen. So, Mama, what do you want to drink?
What do I want to drink? 2 bottles of 4 days.
Oh. So, where can I buy it?
No, don't want to buy it.
Yes.
Give my daughter to go and buy it. While you sit down, let us discuss
Okay, Mama.
about your parents.
Okay.
Welcome, Daddy. You're welcome.
Thank you, my daughter.
How about Mommy? How is she now?
She's there.
All right.
God is our hope.
Okay, Daddy, just sit down.
How about my son-in-law?
He's just fine. He's inside, so I'll just let him know that you just arrived.
Okay.
All right, Daddy. Come here. Osando!
I suffered so much to train myself in school.
You're lowest class of Ogbenye. You're that poor. Your father, a mechanic, of course. Bicycle repairer, but they call him mechanic. Then your mother sells dry fish.
Yes, Mama.
The type that maggots normally come out from. Too much.
They suffered so much to get me to this level. And my 2 other brothers are doing menial job in my village.
Oh.
Yes.
Sorry about that. Hi. If I'd known, I wouldn't have asked you to buy the drinks for me.
No, Mama, it's nothing. My girlfriend sent me money, yes, to put the house in order. So I will take money from there and replace it from this one.
Is the house not your own?
No, it's not my own. It's my girlfriend's own.
Oh.
Yeah, she's from a wealthy family.
Okay.
They have so much money. She has a big car. Yes. They all live abroad. And the family is very, very rich.
No one DJ Salifa. I can understand.
Yes, she's the one that paid for the house. So both of us will live in it.
When is she coming back?
Very soon, oh. Very
I would like to meet her.
See her.
Mama, my daughter.
You're doing very good in this village.
It's all thanks to my daughter-in-law. Hey, what a Diego.
That means she's from a wealthy home.
Wealthy is an understatement.
Fajinko.
I'm telling you.
Mama, you look cute.
I am.
No wonder.
Maybe
But I'm taking one.
Give me.
Mama, don't worry. Okay, I will buy you another one.
No,
I'll buy.
No, you're not buying anything for her.
Mama,
She can't
why?
buy anything for you. If you hear her story, if I bought her father, bicycle repairer. Her mother, Nelo's up Uncle Boati.
Yeah. Okay, Mama, let's take the drink back and give her back her money now.
Another man doesn't like second-hand drinks.
Yeah, don't worry. I
will not.
I told you my friend sent me money, so I can still replace it.
You keep the money just in case I finish this before night, yeah? You can buy another one.
Yeah.
Okay, if you know, what is it?
Give me one.
No. This money is not for you. You're a small girl. Besides, you need to lose weight, you know, so you can find a rich man. You got to go? We are trying to get her a man. Yes. She doesn't do well with men. I'm on a carpenter.
Oh, Chief, you're such a hard-working man. Look at all your achievements. I pray to be like you when I grow up.
Of course, I played my card very well in the government of this country, and I should be rich. I should be rich, of course.
Oh, my super daddy. I am so proud of you. Always.
Thank you, my angel. You see, once your brothers are back from abroad, I will make sure they back award in the Nigerian military. And if Senator Ibari makes it as a president in the forthcoming election, one of them will be the defense minister and the other one will be the commandant general in the Nigerian army.
Wow, whoa. This is such an exciting news, Daddy.
That's a beautiful news.
I wonder what would have become of us without your support and encouragement. Thank you for always being there for us, Daddy.
Done amazingly great. I mean, one of them is going to become defense minister and the other one a general. Is that not a good news? It is a good news.
Listen, I have acquired an estate in Badagry.
Really?
And I will hand it over to both of you.
My goodness, Daddy. An estate in Badagry? Can you... Daddy, I love you even more. Thank you so much for everything.
A house in Badagry. Chief, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Osondo, all you need to do is to be loyal and submissive to my daughter here. Once you do that, I bet you will never lack anything.
Chief, you should count me on that. I will be loyal. You can ask my wife. I'm loyal. I'm submissive. As a matter of fact, I idolize her. So we're good to go.
He's trying. He's doing well. It's fine.
Good. I'm doing well. Osondo, like I told you earlier, I would not tolerate any form of maltreatment from you towards my daughter. Else, if you dare, you get lost.
I wouldn't dare. Sir.
Enough already, Daddy. Thank you so very much. You have really made our day. Thanks for everything. I'm sure you must be hungry now. Honey, you made food, right?
Yes, I did.
Go serve my father. You were just here saying you do everything. I'll report you.
No, I'm already
Just
going.
go.
I'm going, sir.
Can I go back again and carry my own? Daddy. I mean, you got estates in Badagry?
Of course.
And you're going to give it to my husband and I? Daddy, I love you so much. And with this, he won't have any choice but to always respect me.
Of course.
Thank you.
Of course. My angel.
My daddy. My super daddy.
I'm not happy. I'm not just happy at all. I pity Oga, honestly. I pity that man.
Why are you pitying him? Why? Is he not the person that made up his mind to marry a rich man's daughter? Allow him, let him go ahead and enjoy the money. Yes.
Look at that man. Look at that man, that young man with potentials. Look at the way Madame orders him, slaps him, even beats him at will. And Oga will not say anything. Pim, Oga will not just say. Because if he does, trust me, Madame will just carry her phone and call her father.
It's his cross. Let him carry it. Do you know, earlier today, from my church mind, I willingly decided to help him. Yes, by carrying the bag of rice inside the house. Because I was sitting over there and see as Madame was like commanding him, hey, you, carry the bag inside, bring the bag of rice, open the boot, bring it, do this. I felt for him. So from my church mind, I said, hey, is this not my Oga? Let me go and help him. I helped him. From my church mind. That is why it's not good for anyone to depend on anybody for money. Yes, it's good to make your own money on your own. Do you know, as I'm talking to you, I am better than Oga? Yes, because I have my own right to do anything, anytime, any day.
Go sit down. Go sit down. How? Hey.
Okay. You're asking me how?
Yes.
Okay. Let me shock you now. Shocker. Any man that has no money in his bank or in his bank account, is he a man? He is not a man. Okay, let me shock you again. Do you know, anytime Oga's friends come around and they decide to take one or two, do you know Oga will go to Madame and ask her to give him money for them to use for beer and meat? Do you know, after Madame might have given him the money, do you know the condition that Madame will give to him?
No.
Okay, Madame will not tell him, hey, I'm giving you this money. Take 2 bottles. Don't take more than 3 bottles. Okay, take 5. Don't stay late. You better come back before 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock. As you're going, don't eye any woman. Don't do this, don't do that. All those silly things. That is why I told you, I am better than Oga because I have my own right to do anything, any day, any time. Yes. I am working there, paying me. I have my own money. Yes.
The quest for wealth, see where I have landed. No freedom to exercise my manly powers. Treated like a fool, controlled like a child. Can't say no to what displeases me. Mama Ibugomo, Makego. You have sold me out for riches. Makego. You have reduced me to nothing. Makego.
I really feel for that man. No. I pity him. Hadn't been Oga is to be my brother. I would have just gently advised him to quit this marriage. I'll just tell him to quit the marriage and go and look for something doing. To have his own money and marry a woman that will respect him. What's this one? What?
This had it been, I wish I would have. Don't tell me you are eyeing a girl. If you try it, you know who Madame is. Madame will kill you straight up. Nobody will know that you are dead. You better be careful, oh. By the way, have you given food to all those mopu? Are there?
I've given them food. But wait, you want Chief to kill me? No, your plan is for Chief to kill me, Abi.
Chief will not be the one to kill you. Madam will kill you. Before Chief. You You better remove your eye, Mama.
Stop you, Joe. I'm not eyeing Oga.
If it is what you are thinking, you better remove your eye. Remove your eye. Remove your eye. You don't see me. I'm going back to my post.
Married, yet like a nobody. Living in fears, that's what I see. Oh, and I know I would have caught it a quick. Who could save me from this, Makego? You have sold me out for riches, Mama, Makego. You have reduced me to nothing, Makego. I have no voice in my marriage, Makego. Chimo.
Hey. Wow. This food smells nice.
Thank you.
Oh, this big meat for me.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Hey.
Don't worry yourself, you hear? One day God will make it happen for everybody.
Amen. Ijoma, your family, you people are so nice.
Thank you so much. And what I believe in this life is that what works for this person might not work for this person. So you keep pushing your own. God will answer you someday. You hear?
Amen.
You like the food?
I like your brother. You see? Wow. You like whose brother? Onyeka, you like him? Listen, if it is my son, don't look that way because he's getting married soon. So you can look elsewhere. Yeah? Ah! 2 pieces of big meat. Ijoma, you put that for her to eat?
Mama, what is wrong with that? You used to put 2 meat for her before now.
That was when I was blind. Now I can see. Oh, you have forgotten where she's coming from. Father, bicycle repairer. Mother, seller of rotten fish. Onya Amarife Banu, he gets here double. What will my brother eat when he comes back? No, this won't work. Oh. Because the next thing now, you're spending my money. Then you will tell me to go call on Sunday to bring more money for food. Mban, come and walk.
Hey.
It's okay. No worry. It's okay. See, do I even eat this kind of meat in my house?
Hey. Mama, stop now.
Can we go to meet her? Come on.
Hey. Mama, it's not nice now.
This rice is too much, Biko.
Mama, stop this now. This is not nice, oh.
I'm not interested in what you like and what you do not like.
Mama, this is an embarrassment. How can you embarrass somebody's daughter like this?
Now. What do you mean embarrass you? She's not used to this kind of thing. Besides, if I need money, will you provide it? Nonsense.
You should have not even told her about your family background. I know my mother.
Yes, I think yes. Improve your own.
You should have not told her anything. You treat somebody. Because she told you everything.
Don't
tell her anything again. Don't be telling her.
Ijoma, don't be people get me in this house for 2 days. So it's okay, I'm fine with that.
Hey, stop, don't tell her anything again. I know my mother, she will be using it again.
Don't worry.
You know
I'll be fine with this one.
You know what will happen? Don't worry, just eat. When I go inside, I'll bring that meat back. Yes, nice.
Don't worry, I'll be fine. All you need to do is
Mama,
to get me
this is
drinking
not
water.
good though.
Drinking water, I'll be
You place yourself above, parading majestically, looking down on your man. Ooh.
Please add more meat for my father. Alright, drop that. Quickly take this out. Get him water to wash his hands. Quickly now, get him water.
How about your house help?
Oh, she's busy doing other things. He should do this one. Is he not a man? Eh? If he's to answer husband, he will answer. He should do this one. Nonsense. After all, he's eating my money. Can you bend down? Don't you realize that my father is a chief? You don't know. Bend down. A good boy. Oh, you have done well. You can go. Take that away. Take it away.
No, I wanted to keep it just...
Wanted to Guinea. Wanted to do what? Please go. We don't need you here. You're not going to eat on this table with us. If you're hungry, go inside the kitchen, dish your food there and eat it. Go.
I want to know if he needs something. Dad, do you need if he needs?
What? He doesn't need anything.
Hi. I want to check if there's
You are confused. In a case, Roy. Go. We don't need anything, please. I need to discuss with my father. Sondo. Why are you making me shout now? Are you a child? Daddy, are you seeing this man? Sondo, you don't go. Take this thing away. When he's done, you bring another one that we use to rinse his hand. Go.
Stella.
Daddy.
You know he will not date.
Daddy, I will not take it easy on him. If I do that, this guy is going to ride on me in this house. The house is mine. Everything is mine.
I said he will not date, except he wants to die.
Daddy, I know what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm protecting so many things from happening.
But let me tell you, if your mother was to be here, she would not allow him serve like this.
It's good she didn't come. I even like it. The most important thing is that he's submissive to me. Daddy, you don't know all these men. I give him everything, so he should respect me so much. Don't I deserve it?
You deserve it. You deserve it.
Daddy, please, I want you to taste this food. And hey, if this food doesn't taste nice, he's gone. He took so much time preparing this food. It has to be nice.
I think it's okay. Let me just put this away. Pass mark. It's okay.
Alright. You're just supporting him.
Hello. Haven't I warned you? Haven't I warned you that I don't want you to stop me in this village and talk rubbish about love? Haven't I?
Lily, what did I say wrong? Did I say anything wrong?
Yes, okay, you did. Don't talk to me about love. Don't talk to me about love, because the next time I will see you, the next time you will stop me to talk about love again, the kind of insult I will give you, the kind of insult I will pour on this your face.
Sorry. You already finished him. Because he's already finished. The kind of insult you gave him now, the other one you are going to plan to give him, you will not see it in Nigeria. So allow him, please. It's okay.
I'm sorry, Anuka. It's just that I don't like it when men in this village that cannot afford 3 square meals a day talk to women about love. As for you now, you are into land selling business. You can feed yourself. You're doing well for yourself. What does he do for a living? No, what do you do for a living?
Sorry.
You want to love me? You want to love me? Oh. Don't try it again, no.
It's alright. He will not love you again. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Lisa. Don't worry.
You want to love me?
He will not love you again. Don't worry. Forgive him for
it's
the love.
It's because of you.
Don't worry. Now I know it's because of me, because I have money. People cannot love me anyhow. Forgive him for the love. He will not love you again. Bye.
Hey!
Oh.
This girl has finished me.
You're not shouting, look at you. She has finished you. No, you are still remaining.
Hey!
I told you. My friend, get up there. You did not lose your goat. Get up from there. I told you. You see why I told you that I cannot suffer to make money and I give you to a girl? She will just do like this. At the end of the day, she tell me, after I gave you my body. The one I gave you, is it plank? The one I gave you, is it firewood? You see what I'm telling you? So that I can never stay in this village and love a poor girl. After loving that girl, she will dump me and follow rich man. She will say, didn't I give you my body?
Hi,
it's alright, stop crying. Let's go.
Hello, Chuku. It's time for you to shine your eyes.
Shine it if you like, close it. I know what I'm telling you. If you stay inside water.
Did you just see what they get up to?
Why would she tell you? Do you know what she did to you? It is called wash down.
Hi.
Wash down. She was a dry cleaner and she washed you down.
No problem.
Come, let me go iron him.
No problem.
Oh, let me go iron you. You see what I'm telling you? No, women should go and make their money. Men should make their money. Yes, let everybody be rich. So you can now choose who you want. It's not another person will go and make money finish. Another person will come and collect it. Telling me you give me your body. Which one your body?
Thank you very much, Daddy. Thank you so much. Thanks for everything that you've been doing for my wife and I. Thank you so much.
Son, you don't have to worry about these things. You see, as long as you are marrying my daughter and you're obedient to her, you will never lack anything. Okay?
Daddy, tell him. Tell him. If you had gone to marry that poor wretched girl in that village, will you be enjoying all these things you're enjoying now?
Of course not.
Naughty boy.
And that's okay. You see, it is not easy to have a father-in-law like me. I am rich. I am wealthy. I have money. I can't watch my only daughter suffer. That will never happen.
Never.
Next week, both of you should come to the office and sign the document for the estate.
Are you serious? Oh, Daddy, thank you so much.
It's okay.
You see?
Of course I can see.
That's okay. Let me run along for the meeting I have in government house. The governor will be waiting. Okay. So you take care.
That's the best dad in the whole world. I love you. Daddy!
My angel.
Yeah, let me see you off to the car.
It's okay.
Yes.
So, Mama, that is it, though. I was even happy that I have won jackpot, that my life is going to change. I have met a rich woman. I didn't know that the person I even met, I cannot even be my house girl.
Nah, she told me the same story and I felt sorry for her. I felt pity for her. Do you know she even told your sister that she likes you?
Huh? Mama, warn her. Warn your friend, though. Let her not like me. Oh. Let her not like me. Oh. Please. I'm not available again. Let her look for another person to like. Mama, she told me about her friend, the rich one. And she's coming. That is the person I'm waiting.
Hey! Thank God. My son is finally thinking like me. See, marriage without money is nothing.
Bye, Badash.
Marriage and happiness, they go together. And to have a happy marriage, there must be money.
Yeah.
You got that?
Mama.
Organic.
Mama. That brother also was lucky to meet Stella. Does not mean that everybody will meet a rich person.
My children, you must meet rich people. You will work at meeting them and you will meet them.
Yeah.
Yeah, better.
If you don't want to get a poor man.
Hey, you're back.
No, I'm not back. I'm still there.
Where have you been?
Huh? Under interrogation. Are you interrogating me in my own house? Now why are you asking me where have I been? You are now nursery one teacher. Auntie in the one.
You're so funny.
Well, let me answer you. Bang, 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 bang. Auntie, I went out with my friend. Are you happy now?
You're so funny. Mama, I really like this, your family.
You do?
Yes, I would love to be part of this family.
Yes. You'd love to be part of the family.
Yeah.
As what now? Can you join as a house help? Or as an adopted daughter? Or as a daughter-in-law?
House help. No, now. We're both poor.
You know, yeah?
Yes, Mama. I cannot be your adopted daughter because I still have parents. Yes. As an in-law.
Not possible.
Go. Ijoma, you are shouting yes, so swallow that yes now. Ijoma, swallow that yes now, Mama. Want your daughter? Yes. Let her swallow that yes now. Yeah. Swallow it.
Yes, my dear, my son is not available. He's already taken.
Sealed and delivered.
Look elsewhere.
Hey, yeah.
Lucy, it's not true. Don't mind them. My brother does not have anybody.
He was very stupid.
He does not have anybody. You
take your time, oh.
Graduate is like you. You're here doing.
Take your time, oh.
Really? He does not have anybody.
I'll use
just ignore.
I'll use this thing now.
Just ignore her.
It's okay.
Yes, you can go inside.
It's okay. Let me just go and freshen up, then I'll come back.
As you're going into the room, please, you move from that room where we put you to that one closer to the toilet.
Yes, the small room.
You know that toilet that is faulty. Stay around there,
It will be okay for you. After all, you have seen your own house. That place will be okay. Bye. We never sign. Mama, your daughter is never sign. You never sign. Go and sell her to one of your cousins. Do you understand? I am not available. Maybe Malife or Onyedik. Call them to marry. I'm not.
You've forgotten that Onyedik has found a wife.
Oh,
it's not.
Malife is remaining. Take her to Malife.
A graduate is coming to you and you're doing this shakara with this English you're speaking.
Okay, graduate is coming to me. I should be flying. Hallelujah. Graduate is coming to me. Every day, get away.
Yeah, I like how.
Babe, guess what? See, I told you we're great.
Get off from that place! Get off from that place! Do you know how much this seat is sold? Do you know how expensive they are? Do you? Do you know this single seat can buy you and your entire generation put together? Hey, listen to me. Listen, husband of mine. If you must sit, then sit properly on the couch. Don't sit anyhow. Nonsense. Don't have respect. You've not said sorry. I don't understand. Are you not supposed to say, I am sorry? Or is it too heavy for you to say? Is it heavy?
I was actually going to say I'm sorry. Alright. I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. Rubbish.
Baby, we made it.
Like you don't know? Like you didn't know? I'm asking you. I told you that you have to calm down for me. Yes, you're my husband, but I do virtually everything for you. So you have to be loyal. Once you are, you don't have a problem. I'll sort everything out. I mean, can't you see? Daddy gives me money often. You're just realizing that. You're doing well. Why?
My mother's been calling me for some time now. I've refused to pick because I don't have what she's asked me of. Please, is it possible for you to give me money so...
Now your voice is down. Mommy asking me. You want money. That is why your voice is like that. So I should give you money so that you can go to the village and start bragging. Kande more. A big man up here. With my money.
It's not that, it's my mother I'm talking about.
Are you sure your mother is ill? Or you just want to take money from me?
Oh, come on, baby, I can't lie about that. My mother...
Wait, oh, I hope you are not following all those little girls outside. I hope so.
I don't have time for such thing. I'm talking about my mother here. She needs...
Okay. I'll think about it and I'll get back to you. Meanwhile, I hope you finished everything. You cleaned everywhere. Everywhere is clean.
Yes, I cleaned everywhere. The kitchen, your room, my room, visitor's room, staircase, everywhere.
You have done well. I'm thirsty. Get me water to drink.
Baby, what about...
I heard you. I said I will think about it. Eh? You want to force me? Do you want to force me? I will think about it. Get me water to drink. No, go now.
Yeah, I wanted to say yes. I wanted to say yes, my love, so...
Even without saying it, I know you love me. Go. Go.
Cold one.
Hot one. Can't wear for again.
Sorry, Mom.
What I get your... Oreo.
Lucy, don't worry. Just forgive my mother, please. I know my mother's problem. Her problem is that she likes money. That's just the problem, yes. Please forgive her. Please.
What wrong did I do? I came to this village and your brother assisted me very well. Yes. And I like him. I want to be part of your family.
Lucy, listen to me. I am a woman like you and I will always tell you the truth. My brother is not in love with anybody. And he's not ready to fall in love with anybody. So what I will advise you to do as a woman is that if what you have for him is genuine, you keep pushing it. I believe that one day he will change his mind and come to you.
But he does not like me. Yes. But don't worry, I'll keep pushing until he will fall in love with me.
Yes, that's what you have to do, because I don't know what is wrong with my brother. And the thing is that my brother is even supposed to be proud of you. That a graduate like you will fall in love with him. I don't know what his problem is.
Am I not good looking? Just take a look at me. Am I not good looking?
You are. You're looking good. But this is my family. They have a problem. The problem they have is like they like money. They can kill for money, especially that my mother.
But don't worry, I'll keep pushing until he will fall in love with me.
I will help you. I'll help you and talk to him, yeah? Just keep pushing it.
Are you sure?
I will.
Are you sure?
I will.
Am I counting on you?
Count on me.
What sort of marriage is this? How did I find myself in this mess? Oh, Mother, look at what you have put me into. Look at what you are making me go through. Oh, if I had known. Oh, if I had known. Now I am stuck here. I cannot go anywhere. I'm like one trapped in between the devil and the deep blue sea. I cannot do anything without my wife's consent. I do not have a say in this house. When people see me out there, they envy me, thinking I am enjoying the senator's money. Thinking I'm enjoying everything. A little did they know that I am in bondage. And now the security man, my house help, now sit down to talk about me. If I had known from that very first day I met this girl, I wouldn't have stopped. And look at what I have gotten myself into. All that glitters is not gold.
Baby, meet my beautiful mother and my sister. My brother went out.
Okay.
Meet my family.
Good. Welcome.
Okay.
You look beautiful.
Thank you so much. Greetings, Mama.
Good name. Beautiful girl.
Mama.
You're fully loaded.
652,000 watts.
But then you have eyes though.
Thank you, Mama.
Nem, you're welcome. Ijoma, go and get her a seat. Butoche.
You have eyes.
Ijoma, Butoche. Una say he has eyes. Of course he has eyes. Hey. You're welcome, Butoche. No,
For you?
anything. Don't worry. It will not hook onto you, baby.
Mama, let me get rag.
Don't worry, the rag will dirty.
Mama, let me get a rag.
I don't need anything to dirty this outfit. Oh, we fit in your cause.
My mom, she's so nice.
People say so. No.
Mama, why are you looking at me like that?
No, just wondering if it's real.
Mama. Real, follow come.
Have you been there?
My family are so nice, especially my mother.
Yes.
She's so nice.
Thank you so much, Mom.
You're welcome. No.
Baby, please, just give me 1 minute. Let me discuss something with my mother.
Okay, it's fine.
Mama, I look. We move.
Hey.
Mama.